The Personal Fitness Trainer program is a 2-year diploma program. They also have the opportunity to get a number of certifications, one being the Canadian Society for Exercise Physiology Certified Personal Trainer. The fitness industry, there's so many opportunities for students, whether it be an online trainer, which has really come to the forefront, to building their own business, working for a facility, training on their own out of their own home, even working for some of the opportunities out there in healthcare. Students are not just getting an experience where they learn about fitness and health and how to take care of themselves and how to take care of others, but it's that growth piece. During our program, I hear all the time how much students feel like they've grown as an individual, and we really take pride in that. All aspects of NAIT set students up for being prepared to go into the real world, and our program is no exception. There's so many growth points during the program that are so real life that help set students up for success when they're in the industry. Take action. This is something I say all the time to students because it's so important just to take that first step and make a move in your career and in life. We have amazing instructors. We have a very educated faculty. We work on all different types of skills when you're in the industry. So a student might expect to learn how to properly facilitate a conversation with an individual, do motivational interviewing, and the next hour be in the gym learning different types of squats. Students can expect to train clients right away in their third term. There's so many opportunities to get in there and get training and get real life experience. And there's just so many opportunities in the industry. Students come here and they learn to not only value themselves, but value their work and value other people.